Hello everyone. This is our Spring 3 retrospective meeting, and let me tell you guys the workflow of this meeting. What we are going to do is first we will have 10 minutes silent time to write in cards what did we do right, and then the next 10 minutes we will have silent time to write if we were to do it again what would we do differently, and then each one of you will have 5 votes and 5 minutes to vote the 5 cards which you feel has makes more sense in what did we do right, and in the next 5 minutes you will have five votes uh, to vote in the second section, that is if we were to do it again what would we do differently, and uh, based on the number of votes we will sort the cards and then discuss the cards with the highest number of votes, and based on them we will decide the action items to improve our team's performance in the next sprints. So Leslie, you can begin the timer, and yeah, so everyone can start writing in what did we do right, first section.
1 minute. Just a reminder. Time out, guys.
Okay. Is everyone done with the first section? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, I'm down.
Mhm. So,
Yes.
so in the next 10 minutes, we are going to write, similarly, we are going to write in the next section. That
Mm,
is, if we are to do it again, what would we do differently? Basically, you
okay.
can begin the timer and everyone can start writing in this section.
Okay. I'm starting timer.
Last 20 seconds. Okay,
Time out. Game.
is everyone done writing in this part?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. I added a lot of.
Mhm. So basically you can set a timer of 5 minutes. And first in the first 5 minutes, everyone has six votes. Everyone has six votes, and you can start voting the card based on what you feel is makes more sense, has the highest priority. So this you can begin the timer and everyone can start voting in what did we do right.
Only the first section.
Yes, only the first section in first
Okay.
5 minutes, only in what did we do right. Six votes.
Okay, I'll start. Start.
Is everyone done voting?
Yes.
I'm finished.
Okay, so Leslie, maybe you can restart the timer and we will start voting in the second section. That is, if we were to do it again, what would we do differently? You can begin the timer.
Okay. Start timer.
Is everyone done voting?
Yep. I'm down.
Yes, Puchita, are you done voting?
Yeah, done.
Okay, so now let's discuss one by one.
Do you,
Yeah.
do you need me sort the cards by voting?
Yes, and yes,
Mm-hmm.
and in the view section, you can select what did we do right.
Yeah.
Besides sort by, you have an option of view section.
Mm-hmm. Okay, you only want to see this section?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. So I see there are like 19 cards in total, and this sprint was better than the last two sprints, and there are many things that went well, and let me discuss few of the things that we did right in this sprint based on the votes of the team. The first card is brainstorming ideas in each step of project went well. Yep, I think on every user stories, everyone shared their ideas in the group and in the meetings, and
Yeah.
we did well. And the next card is user stories and tasks were well defined, so each team member understood their responsibilities and deliverables. Yeah, so from I think in sprint one presentation, we got feedback from professor that our stories were not detailed, and it was we had bigger user stories and it were not split up into tasks properly, and I think we did well in this sprint.
Yes.
If anyone else wants to speak up, they can. Okay. And
Mhm.
the next card received 4 votes, that is implemented the user friendly interface for all users, guest, patient, and dermatologist. Yeah, I think UI is quite aesthetic.
Yes.
What do you guys think about it?
And I think it's very good point that when guest patient and dermatologist logging or not logging, because Gus is not logging.
Yes.
We access our website, they will see the different thing, different dashboard. Only
Mm-hmm.
this, only them part, only access the feature. Um, they are like they need and want to do.
Yes. Mm-hmm. So let's move on to the next card. Everybody work really hard even till midnight or before dawn. Yes.
Yes, I'm crying. My hair
Why?
is
Oh,
losing,
yeah, so
sleep
do I.
very less, and my hair is
I was
losing.
very sleepy that time.
Yeah, I can
Mm.
see.
My hair always, almost gone. Oh, my hair.
Even professor has seen yawning.
Yeah, good idea.
Same
Yes.
hairstyle.
Yes.
She
So
was
let's.
higher,
Mm-hmm.
at
So
that time.
yeah, but everyone put in effort. That's why we are seeing the results we are seeing. Better results.
Yeah.
And so let's move on to the next card, that is willing to accept advice and changes.
Yes.
Yep. And
Like you, every time you every time you will say so many changes to me, I'll do everything.
yeah, because we have to align our work with the user stories.
Yes, yes.
Yes, so that
Yeah.
overall it will be good.
That is a good thing. So,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And Fujita never complain about that.
Mm-hmm.
yes.
That's the best thing. Moving on to the next card, that is good management of work from team leader and scrum master led to success of MVP.
Mm.
Yes,
Thank you.
All
That's all I
Okay,
have
thanks,
to
thank
say.
you.
that's a
all
very
thanks
great
to
feedback.
Scrum Master and the sweet team leader.
Thank you. And anyone else want to discuss about any other card, because these were the cards that received highest number of votes. And if anyone wants to, point out any card that I am missing, they can.
Even Scrum meetings went as planned, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Mm.
Yes, everyone stick to, the team working agreement that we meet every day at 8 p.m. and everyone, made sure. I think only 1 or 2 times someone missed the meeting. That's it. And every time everyone were present in the meeting.
Yeah.
That's a good thing. Everyone was sincere.
Yes.
Let's keep this sincerity same. So, anything else anyone wants to talk about?
It's good for me.
Okay, so let's move on to the the part that needs to be improved.
You want me only like show the this one section of the
No, this is only
We have to write the actionable
no,
items as well.
yeah, first let's go one by one. Let me discuss, and
okay.
then we can go and discuss it in more detail and make action items based on it.
Okay, got you.
Okay,
Got
so
you.
there are 15 different cards, and the first row has the highest number of votes. So let me discuss the first row.
Mhm.
The first card is we would take up responsibility of the assigned part. That is, propose at least an alternative if the assigned task cannot be done. Mhm.
Mhm.
This is quite important for uh, if if some task is assigned to a team member, and if they are not able to do it, or they are facing some issues in it, they have to propose some alternate, so that the project goes on smooth, so that there is no obstacle in the making of MVP.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
And we will get to each one card in detail later on while
Yeah.
creating action items. So the next thing is, if we were to do it again, we would have prioritized the task on deciding the final data set. Mhm. Then
Yes.
the next card is shorten the presentation length by cutting the parts which appeared in previous PPTs. And when we present, just mention it and do not repeat same things again. Okay.
Mhm.
The next card is watch demo together and ask for everyone's feedback after the new feature development. Okay.
Mhm.
The next is actively seeking for solution and actions together when project facing obstacles, even if it is not assigned to them.
Yeah.
The next card is do research more deeply, download previous model and test at the beginning, learn some deeper algorithms and principles. Mhm. And the final card, the last card we are going to work on is before jumping to alternate solutions, we could find the underlying cause of the problem by dedicating a special meeting for the same. Mhm.
Mhm.
So we now what we are going to do is we will discuss one by one the cards that I just read out now, and then based on this we will try to come up with an action item so that we
Mhm.
can improve it in the next sprints. Okay, so the first card is we would take up responsibility of the assigned part, that is propose at least an alternative if the assigned task cannot be done. So what do you guys think an action item should be made to improve this?
I think it's not about the assignment, it's about the update on time. It's like if the task is assigned to you and you think the task is can't be done, that you should update and report to team immediately, and that we can like find a second backup now and discuss and solve the problem.
Mm-hmm. But I think this card is more about proposing an alternative, as in, uh,
Mhm.
suppose on
Like,
working. Mhm.
like if you have one idea that is not good, like that cannot be done, and we have to put alternative ideas, like two, three
Mm-hmm.
ideas.
Yes, I
That
mean, like,
Oh,
for example, if we are working, if the assigned person is working on a particular data set, training the
uh-huh,
model. Now,
uh-huh.
Mhm,
suppose there is some issues in the data set.
Okay.
So,
mhm.
so what they can do is, instead of just saying that we are not able to do, they can propose an alternative to it.
Okay,
Okay, so
got
this
it.
is not working, but this will work.
Okay.
So if we do this, and then I think the the deadline and the timeline of the project will be smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe assigned to Tanzil or Abi. Maybe.
Yes, but I think it should be assigned to everyone,
Yes.
that they should come up with something uh, as an alternative if they are not able to do the task. What do you guys
Mm,
what do you guys think about what I said?
that
So let me write an action item.
that is not for everyone, I think so.
No, everyone, like for example, if I am not if I'm working on a let's say chat feature, okay, but we decide in our user stories we decided it to make a particular way, okay, but due to some issues, whatever it may be, I'm not able to do it. But there can be an alternate way to do the same thing.
Yeah, then we should discuss in a group
Yes,
and
that's what. But
maybe take the opinion of all the people that what we should do on the specific task.
mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
And maybe someone of our team member give idea that we can do these things in this alternating ways. So from this, like from this way, we can find the solution.
Yeah, that's what,
Yeah,
you know.
anyway, the first step is report on time.
Yes, the first thing, yeah, and you know, okay, let me just create an action item. Yes, I wrote an action item. Leslie, you can click on this card. Yeah, that is assigned to everyone. Come up with alternate solutions and discuss it with the team. Okay.
and ask for the opinion.
Yeah, as soon as opening. I think this is the most.
That's what discuss means. Okay. Yep, so let's move on to the next card. That is, if we were to do it again, we would have prioritized the task on deciding the final data set. Yes, what do you guys think about it? So I think in this point, this like basically this task in particular does not improve the team's performance, but then we can generalize it as prioritizing the task should be done,
Yes.
Yes.
so that you know we focus on what are the most important features of our MVP first and then work on less important features.
Okay.
So let me create an action item. uh, Assigned to, I think it should be assigned to, who should be assigned to?
Who are working on data set?
Not
Me.
data set, it's a specific task.
You can assign to me.
No, as in,
It's
see,
just
as
an
in,
example of finalizing the dataset.
Okay.
Okay, it's all about prioritizing the task.
Mm,
this was one example. So, okay, let me assign it to me.
mhm.
Assigned to Pujita.
Prioritize the
Okay.
tasks. Prioritize the task in the planning meeting. Okay. So I have created an action item and assigned it to me that, in the sprint planning meeting, I will, while discussing the sprint backlog, we can also prioritize the tasks in the meeting.
Yeah, okay.
So let's move on to the next card, that is watch demo together and ask for everyone's feedback after the new feature development. Yes. So what I think, an action ask for everyone's feedback after the new feature development. What do you guys think an action item based on this can be that will improve our team's performance?
Like it is important to take everyone's feedback to improve the UI, you know,
UI and features.
yeah,
Okay,
to
so
add more additional features.
mhm. So let me create an action item for this. So yep, so I am recording the no, I think it should be assigned to everyone, that whoever is working on a particular feature, and once they finish the working on their part, they can present it to the team and get feedback.
Yes.
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 So that, at the end there should not be like, oh, we have to make this change and we have to change that. So it disrupt the flow of the team.
Yes.
So if we get feedback regularly after development of each feature, then even if there are some changes to be made, it can be done easier.
Yeah. And that will help the next, or I can see other team members understand what you did more detailed and better.
Yes,
Get feedback from the team after. Okay, so I have created an action item based on this, that is, and it is assigned to everyone, that is get feedback from the team after developing a feature. Yes. So let's move on to the next card, that is actively seeking for solution and actions together when project is facing obstacles, even if it is not assigned to them.
Yes.
Yeah, so what do you guys think an action item based on this can be, so that our team performance improves? Yeah, so what is happening is, if someone is facing an obstacle, and they are not updating the team, like as soon as they face it, and they are trying to find a solution on their own, and sometimes they are not able to, and
Yeah.
at the end it is difficult to find an alternate, or fix the obstacle. So maybe
Yes.
I think as soon as someone face any issues and they are not able to tackle it, they can let the team know. So
Yes.
so everyone can gives their ideas, or everyone can review the work and find and debug the code maybe, or come up with something that helps.
Yes.
Yeah.
So let me write an action item.
I should apologize for that because I know, when like Denzi and Abby face obstacles, for the like motor training, and I know I should help them, and I give some like actions and suggestions, but I'm not like spend time to this work, spend my time on this work, and I think for this like
So,
with high priority work, we should put on because I'm also busy, so uh anyway, I think I have this responsibility to help.
no, it's not like that. We are lacking behind finding more images for the particular skin condition. You know?
Okay, so let's move on to so I created an action item for this particular card and assigned it to everyone that as soon as you face an issue, please let the team know. Okay,
Yes. Okay.
so let's move
Yeah, that's
on to
good.
the let's move on to the next card, that is
Mhm.
do research more deeply.
Let me put here.
Mhm.
Sorry.
Yeah, do research more deeply, download previous model and test at the beginning, learn some deeper algorithms and principle. So, so I think we can generalize it as, get familiar with the technology, with the tech stack we are using. You know, get to learn algorithms, try learning, tuning the model, how to, improve advanced concepts of our tech stack.
Yes, I
Mhm.
agree with you.
And, like for example, there are other papers who have previously worked on some particular diseases, predicting some particular diseases, and maybe we can look into it, go through their research, the conclusion, what was the conclusion, what was their methodology, and what issues they faced, and how did they proceed, and
Yes.
maybe learn from it and implement it so that
Yeah, that's true.
our team
Because
performance
at
improves.
the spring zero and spring one, we did it very well about that. Like we did a lot of research and learning about our uh, project, but we didn't like actually practice and download some model and try to do it. We just reading some paper and searching some knowledges.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So let me create an action item for this and assign it to everyone. Okay. So I have created an action item based on this and assigned it to everyone that everyone should get familiar with the tech stack and do more research. Okay. So let's move on to the next card. Yep, that is before jumping to alternate solutions, we could find the underlying cause of the problem by dedicating a special meeting for the same. So yes, as in if we have some if you're facing some difficulty, like first we can have a meeting, like a dedicated meeting for this particular issue and discuss why are we facing this issue. Like for example, some part of the code is not working. Instead of trying something else, we can first look into it, like why are we not getting the desired output. Yeah,
Yes.
while training the model, maybe instead of just keeping on changing the data set and all, first we can look into, like, why are we not getting the desired accuracy.
Yeah.
So maybe we should focus on the cause of the problem more,
Yes.
like
Yes,
more than finding an alternate solution.
Yes. That's true.
yes.
But uh, what do you guys think an action item should be based on
The action item should be
this?
the first share with everyone when you find the difficulties or find any problem in the any part of the project.
Mm-hmm.
So if anyone has like good knowledge in the this part, they can share, they can give their input. Okay, they can find the solution that what's the actual problem is. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So I
so
mm-hmm.
so this is a way that we can do this task. And like before jumping to alternating option, we can find the solution, okay, on the same task. If we get it, that's okay. If not, then we have to jump for let's say alternating option.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me create an action item based on this and assign to everyone. I think the action item will be similar to the previous card, that is let the
Yeah.
team
It's
know
a
if
previous step before the first
there's
card, I think.
any difficulties. Yes, so I have created an action item for this, that and assigned it to everyone, like that you should let the team know if you're facing any difficulties.
Yes.
Okay.
And I think also one atom to maybe team leader or scrum master, they
Mm-hmm.
should decide should we have a follow-up meeting to discuss the problem.
Okay, so let me, okay,
Like
assign
decide
to,
this problem can be addressed very quickly or not, like that.
okay, assign to 0 man. Uh, okay, I have created and can click on it. Yes, and assign to Leslie that make a decision if the above issue needs a dedicated meeting. Yes. Yeah, I think, and moving on to the next card, that is update their work on time, even there is no output or positive result, that others could know the progress and discuss solution together. I think this
It's same.
it's, yeah, I think it's the same, that
Mhm.
if you're basically most of the action items is more like uh, as soon as you finish your part, let the team know, get feedback,
Yes.
or if you're facing any
Yes.
difficulties, let the team know, get
Yes.
get advice
Yes.
from them, get solutions from them. It's more
Yeah.
like, more like we have to coordinate more on while working on the features.
Yeah.
We are coordinating well while planning, while assigning the task and everything, but while working on some particular feature, we are not collaborating well. I think,
Yes.
yeah, I think this can be
That's
improved.
true. That's true.
Okay.
That's
Yes.
that's what is the second, like, in the second column, the first cut, that is, we would collaborate more while coding a same feature so that there are no conflicts in the code.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
yep, so maybe the most important thing would be, we collaborate more while coding,
Yes.
while working on a particular feature. And we did quite a few pair programming sessions, and we can do more, so that if suppose Zuen and I are working on chat feature, and we can do pair programming, so that if I face any issue,
Mhm.
you can be helpful. Similarly, we
Yes.
can encourage more pair programming sessions
Exactly.
and improve the team performance.
Yes.
Yes.
So, will anyone wants to speak up about any of the section, or any of the point we missed, or anything if you want to?
Mm,
Okay, so I
Main thing
think
is we have to discuss. That's it.
so
That's
I
the main.
think let's wrap up the meeting, and let's hope the action items are, we focus on the action items and improve our team's performance.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you.
teams. I
Thank you,
know
Thank you
this
so
is
everyone.
the
much.
Thank
last
you.
Thank you.
sprint.
Yes.
Thank
Thank
you.
Thank you,
you.
everyone.
See you.
Bye-bye.